What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to set up the mobile hotspot on your Galaxy S26 series. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is to open up the settings. In settings, tap on connections. Under connections, look for mobile hotspot and tethering and tap on it. And then you should see the option mobile hotspot. Select that. From here, in order for you to turn on the mobile hotspot, you just need to start tapping on this toggle button. And then you have to confirm that you wish to enable it. And during this process, the Wi-Fi has to be turned off. So just tap on OK and then mobile hotspot will be enabled. Now, once it's enabled, you can then go through all this information about your hotspot. So for example, you can see how much data you are sharing during the course of the day while other devices are connected to your hotspot. You can see your network name, and with this network name, you can use it to give to other people so that they can connect it with your hotspot. Then you also have the password, the bandwidth, and then all sorts of things like auto hotspot, one-time password. You even have the option of giving QR code so that someone can just scan the code and automatically connect to the hotspot. You can choose to share it or you can choose to save it as an image so that whenever you want someone to connect to your hotspot, they can just use the image to scan to connect to your hotspot. Then you can even go further by customizing the name and the password. So you can just tap on it like that, and then you can erase what currently there and write your own custom name as well as your custom password. You can change the compatibility to whatever you would like. You have performance and the compatibility, and it's up to you to use the slider to customize them. You can change the security of your hotspot so it can be open, enhanced open, personal, and then all sort of these options as well. And you also have even more advanced feature such as changing the MAC address type and then having it as a hidden network, having it in a power saving mode, all sort of things. Bear in mind that if you are in this section, any changes you made, you have to ensure that you tap on save so that they are applied to your hotspot. Then from here, you can allow another device to connect to your mobile hotspot. So for me, I will be choosing to scan the QR code so that it will be easy to connect automatically. So I will select the scan QR code. Then hover my phone over the QR code. Once it's scanned, it will be prompted you to join the network. So select join, and now I have successfully joined the network. You can see the device that I have currently used to join the network is already listed here. Now every time I use the mobile hotspot to do something such as streaming, music, playing games, all sort of things, you will see how much data I'm using on this meter. So guys, that is how you can basically set up the mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.